beautifully designed kitchen island without a hanging chimney over it is a story unfinished. Introducing Janu's Isola BK90, a chimney for that beloved island in your kitchen. Exceptionally practical, Janu's is the first choice for those who cherish looks with workability. This beautiful device has a front and rear glass finish. With its 4-spot lamps, your island could never look dull. 3-layered baffle filter gives Janu's optimal functionality and structural strength as well. With great suction capacity, you can relax and enjoy Janu's very less. With its touch control panels, this genie could be operated from the front and rear. Why wait? Complete your island story with Janu's Isola chimney over it. Order now.